the quest is there so that you go every day in Samadhi Mandir and you feel that there is something special, very beautiful is there. No? How many people feel? 20 people go with you every night, no? 20 or that? How many feel that it is a miraculous place? Not all, no? Otherwise, they will also like to stay here and go there more frequently, no? Because they are not very thirsty at the moment. Slowly, when they will meditate, they will grow in spirituality. Maybe they will also have thirst like you. They will like to go again and again. I want to come here every evening for satsang. So just hang around Osho. It is natural. The transformation does not happen in one go. And it is not a seasonal flower. It takes time. When I used to say this thing to Bhagwan, because my transformation is also very, very slow. I'm not satisfied with my own transformation. And when I used to say this to Bhagwan, Bhagwan used to console me that to Buddha it took 32 lives to become a Buddha. It was not a one day or one life work. 32 life. You can see, read in his Jatak Katha. He has narrated his past life in Jatak Katha. Krishnamurti, about Krishnamurti, Annie Besant and Leadbeater does research, and there is a beautiful book, 7 Life for Krishnamurti. So, 7 life, how many years? 2600 years. It took 2600 years. Krisha Gautami lady who became Buddha disciple and became Srotapanna in that life because of the pain, the great pain she has gone through. So she became disciple of Buddha. And in that life also, because of her pain and proximity of Buddha and her love for the Buddha, in that life Krisha Gautami becomes Srotapanna. Srotapanna means she turned inward. Most of the people energy is outward, building, money, विदेश घुम्ने, गाडी किन्ने, हैन? ऊर्जा त्यति बगिराखेको हुन्छ. इनवार्ड धेरै कम मान्छे हुन्छ. त्यसलाई श्रोतापन्न भन्छ. बुद्धिस्ट टर्मिनोलोजी श्रोतापन्न. जो आफ्नै केन्द्रतिर यो हाम्रो सारा इन्द्रिय बाहिर खुलिराखेको छ. हैन? सारा एनर्जी, लाइफ एनर्जी सारा इन्द्रियबाट आँखबाट बाहिरको चिज देख्छौ, दबाउँछ. यो पनि किनौ, यो पनि किनौ. हातबाट छुन्छौ, स्पर्श गर्छौँ, यो पनि मेरो होस्, यो पनि मेरो होस्. सारा एनर्जी जुन छ यो हाम्रो इन्द्रियबाट बाहिर बगिराखेको हुन्छ. बुद्धिस्ट टर्मिनोलोजी छ that when a sadhak becomes mature, his energy turns inward. सामान्य व्यक्तिको बाहिर हेर्ने, तमासा हेर्ने, वहाँ जाने, यहाँ हेर्ने, यो सर्कस हेर्ने, सिनेमा हेर्ने, रिजोर्टमा जाने, होटलमा खाने, सबै बाहिर. स्वाभाविक हो, किन इन्द्रियहरूको ऊर्जा नै बाहिर जान्छ. नेचुरल हो, हैन? भित्र जाने कुनै इन्द्रिय छैन. ध्यान हो, सत्सङ्ग हो, जसले ऊर्जा. त त्यही जन्ममा 6-7 जन्म पूर्व कृष्ण गौतमी श्रोतापन्न भई त्यो बुद्धको आशीर्वादले जीवन यति पीडा थियो उसको जीवनको. कुनै दिन कथा बनाउला उसको. मैले लेखा पनि छु, सायद मेरो किताबहरूमा छ. कृष्ण गौतमीको बडो दुःखपूर्ण, त्यति विषादमा त मान्छे मरिहाल्छ. कति विषादले ट्रान्सफर्मेसन हुन्छ. दुःख नपरिकन त्यस कारणले सुपरफिसियल हुन्छ. दुःख नपरिकन मान्छे अन्तर्मुखी बन्दैन. महादुःख चाहिन्छ. शिवप्रिवाले भन्नुहुन्थ्यो जीवनले 24 लाख 25 घुस्सा मार्नुपर्छ अनि मान्छे मात्र अन्तर्मुखी हुन्छ। 24 लाख नमारिकन सो कल रिलिजन ठिक है, कहिले काहीँ शनिबार आएर अलिअलि यसो नाच्न के बिरे आनन्दै आउँछ, यसो नाच्यो गयो, मिठो मिठो खाना खायो हिँड्यो। त्यस्तो धेरै धर्म हुन्छ। श्रोतापन्न बन्नलाई नि बडो पुण्य चाहिन्छ। त त्यो श्रोतापन्न जुन बन्यो त्यो त आज न भोलि इन्लाइटेन हुन्छ, जसको एनर्जी इनवार्ड हो। त कृष्ण गौतमी 7 जन्म अगाडि श्रोतापन्न भई त्यसपछि उसलाई 2600 वर्ष लाग्यो कृष्णमूर्ति बन्नलाई। भने तिमीलाई एकै दिनमा कसरी हुन्छ? कसैलाई, मलाई, तिमीलाई कसैले पनि हुँदैन। त ओशो गुरु यस्तो हुनुहुन्छ, तिमी पनि आजैको खेलाडी होइन, कति जन्मदेखि खोजिराख्या होला, तिमीले जो ध्यान पाक्छ आफै हेर्छ तिमीले। यहाँ यस जन्ममा जो ध्यान गर्ने व्यक्ति छन् त्यो एक शिविरपछि अर्को शिविरमा आउँदैनन्। 2-3 शिविर आएपछि पनि आफ्नो बाटो लाग्छन्। 10-15 वर्षदेखि जो तपोवनसँग जोडिराखेको छ त्यो नयाँ खेलाडी होइन। तिनीहरू अनेक जन्मदेखि अनेक गुरुहरूसँग सत्सङ्ग गरेर आएकै मान्छे 20 वर्ष काट्न सक्छ, काट्दैन। सामान्य व्यक्ति जो नयाँ हो त्यो एकै शिविरपछि अर्को शिविर आउँदै आउँदैन। त्यसले पुग्यो, हेऱ्यो के हो तमासा, कुण्डली यस्तो रहेछ, डाइनामिक यस्तो रहेछ, पुग्यो उसलाई। त्यो आउँदैन। जो अब 10 वर्षदेखि आश्रममा, जो पनि यहाँ आश्रममा 10 वर्ष 20 वर्षदेखि बसिरहेको छ त्यो सब पुरानो साधक हो, अनेक गुरुसँग बसिसकेको छ, या उसोसँगै पूर्वजन्ममा बसेको छ। तैपनि बसेर के हुन्छ, मान्छे बेहोस छ होइन। अनेक जन्ममा त मै नि कति जन्मदेखि चुक्दै आइरहेको छु, मेरो कति जन्म मैले चुकेछु, अरूलाई म के दोष दिउँ, म आफै चुक्दै आइरहेको छु। मान्छे बडा गाह्रो छ, ट्रान्सफर्मेसन इज नट इजी। तर आवर मास्टर has a very scientific way. Otherwise, what happens normally in this seeker's life, then one life they do all type of austerity. They go to Himalaya, they go to Gufa, they do fasting, they become celibate, they do all type of sacrifice, but their desire are unfulfilled. The most dangerous desire is sex. No? So desire of sex is unfulfilled. Desire, some people also have desire to enjoy money, buy things, so that desire has been unfulfilled. So they meditate in the caves of Himalaya, but they don't become enlightened because of the unfulfilled desire. So, next life, at the time of death, they think about these things, unfulfilled desire. Normally when people are dying, all unfulfilled desire will come in your mind. Or which is suppressed in subconscious, they come. No money. These are the common thing, good food, pleasure, buying things, money, and enjoying sex. Sex is the most vital thing. So, and it's very difficult to find a person who is sexually not suppressed. 99.9% people are sexually suppressed. So at the time of death, the 99% people think about sex. 99%. Because that is their most suppressed desire. So immediately they have a birth. No? So they are born, and again they enjoy sex life. So what was happening? The monk, unfulfilled desire, next time, to my own story, I know some of my previous life. My own story is one life, austerity, celibacy, fasting, living in ashrams or cave, earning punya. But basic desires are unfulfilled. So next life, because of the punya, you are born in a very rich family, very We have all the facility of life. You enjoy life, you enjoy sex, enjoy money. Don't remember about meditation. Then again death. Your desires are fulfilled, but there is a sanskar, inner sanskar of spirituality. So next life you become monk, again you go to the forest. So this is the general story. But Bhagwan is a very scientific master. He has made a way that you fulfill your worldly desire also while meditating. It does not prevent you from enjoying food or enjoying sex or having relationship, no. You fulfill all your worldly desire also, so that you have not to repeat it again and again and again and again. So that's why Bhagwan has said that my disciple, otherwise disciple has to take many lives. Buddha has to take 32 lives. 32 lives of very dedicated sadhana. और जन्म तो कति भयो 32 लाइफ को तो पूर्ण साधना. एक जन्म तो नेपालमै थियो जहाँ बाघलाई हातै काटेर खुवाइदिनु भयो. नमो बुद्ध होइन. आफ्नो शरीरै काटेर बाघलाई खुवाइदिनु भयो. त्यत्रो त्यागी व्यक्ति. त्यसलाई पनि अर्को जन्म लिनुपर्छ हैन. त्यसैले यो एक दिनमा हुने काम छैन. बट भगवान हैज मेड इट ए भेरी scientifically very short journey. And people don't understand. I talk in this, that Bhagwan is a unique master. There has been no master like Osho in the whole human history. That's why Bhagwan said that my sincere disciple, people who are sincerely meditating, I am helping them, and at the time of death I will give them last push. And many of my disciples who are sincerely following me will become enlightened at the time of death. Many of Bhagwan's disciples has become enlightened at the time of death. Starting from Bimal Kirti, the first disciple to become enlightened at the time of death, Bimal Kirti, Bhagwan's own father, and many other disciples who have become enlightened, Bhagwan's mother, at the time of death. So Bhagwan said that my disciples who are sincerely working upon themselves and who are really seeker and ready, has become matured, I will give them, if they don't become enlightened while they are alive, at the time of death I will give them last push, and that is a very dramatic moment. So many people become, those who become enlightened, 90% people in human history has become enlightened at the time of death, including Jesus Christ. He also became enlightened on the cross, the last moment of their death. So 90% people become enlightened at the time of death. So Bhagavan said that many of my disciples who could not make it in their life, they will become enlightened at the time of death. Little slow goer who cannot make it, I will help them to be born in a meditative family. So next life they will become enlightened. The very slow goer, very alsi shiromani, so they will have to take 2 lives. लेकिन जीवन को अनेक हजार जन्म को कथा में 2 लाइफ केही पनि होइन. तो मनुष्य जो मेरा संन्यास निभाएगा, ध्यान निभाएगा, अधिक से अधिक 2 लाइफ. बहुत जो स्लो गोअर है उनको 2 लाइफ, अदरवाइज आई हैव टोल्ड यू. सो यू बी at least get ready, everybody of you. I'm not only answering him, I'm answering all of you. Nirav is not only Nirav, he's answering all of you that you should try, that you should become enlightened, awaken, transform, drop your ego. Don't think that you are the most important person in the world and you know better than everybody else, no? every day dilute this ego that I am not the best person in the world. At least also is there more than me. that is the reason that if Guru is needed. Otherwise, nobody is ready to accept anybody better than him. No. तो गुरु बनने का मतलब तो ये है कि कम से कम एक आदमी के चरण में तो झुकते हो ना, एक को तो मानते हो, जबरदस्ती भी मानते हो, एक को तो मानते हो ना, ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है। एक को भी कोई मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं संसार में, उसके साथ so dilute your ego and hang around. Osho is not there in the physical body, hang around me, don't leave my finger. Many people will leave. It is not easy because to dilute the ego is not an easy job. No? So if you can just hang around the Bhavan, hang around me means hang around the Bhavan, thing will happen. It is for everybody. The mind will play a trick that enough is enough, now I can do myself. Self-help. अब गुरु की आवश्यकता नहीं है. There are many books published in America, self-help, how to fix things. No? Self-help books are available in America, thousands of copies are printed. No? How to cook your own food, how to make your car yourself, how to do plumbing yourself, how to do electrical work yourself. The self-help book. So there are also people think that I have read so many books and now I can help myself. No, hang around a master, hang around a Buddha faith, in spite of your mind. Mind is against meditation. Mind is against surrendering. Mind will always say that is enough, now I am myself Guru. हम खुद अपना आश्रम बनाएंगे हमको. So don't listen to your mind. Listen to Osho, read. That time read these books, Buddhattu ke Sutra, in Hindi. Wonderful book, Art of Enlightenment. Read Osho and hang around Osho. Thing will happen. That's the only way. There is no other way. Just hang, don't leave the finger of Master, don't leave the feet of the Master. Remain attached to the feet. No? Ups and downs will come, mind will play game, there will be success, there will be failure, there will be good days, there will be bad days, your mind will sometimes become very happy, sometimes it will be very sad, sometimes very frustrated, sometimes positive, sometimes negative. Thing will come, season will change. Just hang around.